All right, back to it. After the power outage, haven't worked out in about 6 days or so. Today, I'm just going to ease back into it with some dumbbell work on my chest and back, and then I'll do some light. I'll do my usual abdominal routine. So I've already warmed up with some deadlifts and so forth. I'm thoroughly worn, and I'll start out with some bent over rows, getting a good stretch at the bottom, and I'll use probably 3 different grip positions while doing these. I'll change it up. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'll do the neutral grip, I'll do the overhand grip, and the underhand grip. I'm going to switch back and forth from my chest to my back. While the power was out, I made good use of the time, and I dug out my Tai Chi Chuan book, and I learned it's 60 movements of Tai Chi Chuan, and I learned those movements, all 60 of them, about 20 years ago, and I hadn't done it I hadn't practiced in about 10 years, and but I still had most of the movements. Most of the movements came, once I got in the groove, most of the movements came back, but there were a handful of movements that I had to look up in the book and relearn, and then they came forward. Once I took a look at them, I was like, oh, that's right. But it was good to get back to Tai Chi. It was a life-changing experience. Life-changing. It was really a phenomenal experience for me, working with energy and achieving perfect alignment. And I'm glad to have had this time to really reflect on it and get back into it. I am going to continue with that, and at some point I'll make a video and post it. But yeah, that was a real positive thing that came out of this this blizzard and the power outage. It's so good to have the power back. Jeez, what a luxury just to have heat and lights. But yeah, it's all good now. Tomorrow's March 1st. That to me is, you know, spells spring. March 1st. Even though we'll probably have some nasty weather, and we always do in New England all spring long, but it can definitely tease us. But yeah, it's good to be up and running. Feels good to start lifting weights again. But yeah, let me get back to it. Let's see, I just did my chest. I'm going to change grip this time. Go like this. Pull it back. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna go right into my chest. And I'm gonna change the grip there. Yeah. Well. Yeah. Yeah, feels good to be back to it. Well, yeah, that's pretty much just of my workout today. That's what I'm gonna be doing, back and forth, back and chest, and this is getting me back into it, using lighter weight, higher reps, shock my body back into, but not overdoing it, and then I'll be able to increase next week. Especially working this, you know, the torso, really waking it up again and getting it back to where it's constantly progressing. But that'll do it. And like I said, I'll post that Tai Chi Chuan video at some point. I'll make it and post it. It's I highly recommend it, especially as, you know, people are getting older. Tai Chi Chuan is phenomenal. But anyway, thanks for watching and have a great day. See you on the next one.